it, ladies and gentlemen out there on YouTube land. We about to set another Werld Starling Terminashun record with this here Benjamin Marauder PCP air rifle and 22 caliber. Stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen, for what's coming up right next, because you're about to see something that ain't never been done before in the history of PCP, Starling, sniping, and terminating.
So this is our Benjamin Marauder, the shop rifle, 22 caliber, with Terminator Emerald sniper stock. Now when we first got this rifle, shot count was low, the shot curve was hard to deal with. So we went ahead and added a humor regulator, JSR balance valve, super hammer, and dual spring kit. Set the regulator at 90 bar, used only one of the dual springs, turned the hammer spring adjuster all the way out, set the velocity at 830 feet per second on the alloys. We go and air this cylinder up to 3300 psi, head out to the farm, permission, see how many feral blades we can get down, and how many shots per fill we can get on just one air cylinder. But this here Terminator Industries built Benjamin Marauder. This lightweight synthetic wiener dog LDC has got the muzzle report down to a measly 80 decibels, which makes this the quietest PCP we've got in our arsenal. The optics that we're running is a Discovery HT ultralight 6 to 24 compact scope and the Part 007 night vision clip-on. We got the auxiliary battery pack mounted above the folding stock adapter. The ammo is going to be the 11.75 grain Predator GTO alloys. We're going to be running them at 830 feet per second. And when all's said and done, we're going to have ran through all these here mags, 154 shots per fill, on one OEM Marauder air cylinder. So crack open a cold one and enjoy this here Terminashun. link in the description down below. Head over to terminatedindustries.com, grab yourself a Marauder tactical stock and a Discovery optic. Then get out there, set some wild records.